Hello,
Hello. Yes.
my name is Prajwal and I'm going to be walking you through this session today. There is some information that I'd like to give you before you start. I'm going to read it to you to make sure I cover everything. We're asking people to try using an application that we're working on so we can see whether it works as intended. The session should take about 15 to 20 minutes. I also want to make it clear that we are testing the application, not you. Nothing you do will be considered as wrong here. You don't have to worry about making mistakes. As you are going through the application, I'm going to ask you to try and make as much as comments and try to think aloud, to try to say what you're thinking while looking at our application. It will be a big help to us. Also, don't worry about giving us harsh comments. We're looking for honest feedback which can improve our application. If you have any questions as we go along, just ask them. I may not be able to answer them right away, but would be happy to answer them once we're done. If you need a break at any point, just let me know. With your permission, we are going to record what happens on the screen and our conversation. The recording will help us figure out how to improve our site and won't be seen by anyone except for the people working on this project and the people who are going to evaluate it. If you would, I'm going to ask you to sign this simple permission form for us. It just says that we have your permission to record you, and the recording will be seen by people working on the project and the people evaluating it.
Alright, done.
Thank you. Do you have any questions so far?
So I'm testing on an app that you have built, kind of thing. So
Yeah,
it's app for the like Android or iOS device, or it's for the like a laptop or that sort of thing.
For now, it's an Android application.
Okay.
But we're trying to make it usable for iOS as well. So
Alright.
in the future, maybe it will happen.
So it's something similar to like the normal app that I see on my phones that can be downloaded, kind of thing. Okay, yeah, no problems there.
Okay, before we start, I'd like to ask you a few questions. First, what's your occupation and what do you do all day?
Well, first my name is Kishore Adhikari and I'm an accountant. So I work for Silke. Yeah.
So how many hours would you say you spend using internet, including web browsing, email, at work, university or home?
So in total, so how many, you mean like in hours? Okay, so I would say I spend something around, like I'm connected at my work with my emails and doing other stuff like from 9 to 5:30, so I'll have a break 1 hour in there. In the morning I will check my mobiles, I'll spend around half an hour kind of thing in the morning, and at night I will watch my like the movies or like the series kind of thing. So around 2 hours I would spend on like the total internet or the
Okay. So do you have any favorite websites?
My favorite website, well, I surf through lots of news. So it's like, so what at the moment what I am doing is on my Facebook I've subscribed to all the news and all the sort of things. So in a sense I use Facebook, so I am connected to the news, I'm connected to my friends, I'm connected to my families, I'm connected like with everyone kind of thing. So basically I will use Facebook.
So you like an application that can merge everything in one?
Like the application
various functionalities, so you can do more things from one app.
In a sense, yeah. Facebook does that in a sense, like it's information and socializing both here. Okay. So yeah, one app giving me everything I need, sort of thing. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you. Now I'm going to ask you to look at the application. I'm going to ask you to look at this page and tell me what you make of it.
Looks like a sign-in page. Yeah, where it says like you have to put in your email and password. So it's like a sign-up page.
I'm going to give you these credentials. Try to log in using those.
Okay. So is that a capital or a small s? I see there.
Small.
Okay. Small. quite a long name. .edu. Six.
So I'm going to ask you to look at this place. Don't click on anything just yet.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now I'm going to ask you to try doing some specific tasks. I'm going to read each one out and give you a printed copy of it.
Okay.
And again, as much as possible, it will help us if you can try and think out loud as you are going. Okay, scenario 1. Assume you are a nursing student. You were busy all day today. You missed your class and you want to see the skeleton of a human body that the other students in the class had seen, but you missed it. So now you want to see what it looks like instead of searching it online. See if you can view it from virtually application in augmented reality.
So you're asking me to view something here, or what does that mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
To try and.
All right. So what you are saying is there was a class or lecture that I missed today because of my work, and there was something in regards to this skeleton thing, which I want to go in, like whatever app you have built here, and try to get that information from this app. So whatever I'm seeing here, so I click on, I only see like a one button where I can go and find that information. I don't find it on the screen. So based on what you have told me, so I'm just clicking on the thing. So it gives me some information in regards to class time and all those sort of things with the dates, that sort of thing. But the thing what I'm looking for, I can't find it here. The human skeleton picture or something that I am supposed to find it. Oh, okay. All right. Now I see a schedule. It's like on the bottom. So I would like that to be on the top so I can clearly navigate through the, like whatever is in the class. So I go to my resources. So it tells me week 1 or week 2. I'm not sure which week we are talking about. So I will try to go and look at week 2, and here I find, okay, gives me some information in regards to what was taught on that week 1 and on week 2. All right, so I'm looking for the information for the human skeleton. So I go to a different tab there and try to see if I can find anything else. So it gives me some information in regards to virtual class augmented reality 3D module on. Yeah, I remember you talking something regarding this augmented, so I'm just clicking on that one. So once I click on that one, now point your camera to the logo so I can see a human skeleton that you mentioned. All right, so based on your info there, I can see what I missed, the class or something. So I'm going.
So the second scenario, you are a student enrolled in Bachelor's in Environmental Science. You are taking Wildlife Management Unit externally. You want to join the class online. Try to join the class using virtual reality from this application.
Okay, so I need to find some sort of place to join. Oh, it says here. Okay, so if I go to class, okay, yeah, makes sense. A live virtual class. So you want me to join the virtual class? Okay, so the class is loading. So what I see here is a National Geographic. Okay. Oh, this is fun. All right, it looks cool.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh my god. This is really cool. Okay. So is there more like things I can see, or is it like? Oh, this is fun. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
So can I stop?
Yeah. So we are going to the third
Oh,
scenario.
you got the music as well, so it's plays. Okay.
This is Paula.
So and you can watch like in 360
Yeah,
degrees.
you can
Alright,
use
okay,
the
I'm
Google.
just closing it. Yeah.
Okay, so this
It
is
looks
the third
cool.
scenario now. You are a student enrolled in Bachelor's in Environmental Science and you have some assignments due next week. You want to add that information in the event calendar. Try to add an event from the event calendar.
Okay, so I can see a calendar on a bottom and you are asking me to add new events.
Yeah.
So yes, so I believe like what date do you want me to add an event? So what was the event about? Like
You need to add an event, so any event you can.
okay, I'll just put it as A B C D event description E F G S. So start time whatever is here. So I'm going to add that on 15th. Add event on 15th. I go and check. Trying to go and check that. So the okay, no, the event has already been added. So that was on 15th. Now okay, yeah, I can see that on the bottom 9 to 9:30. But I wrote something else as well. Like so, it only tells you it only tells you the title or something of the event. Okay, I'll try to add another event. Okay,
Yeah.
let me see how it works. So the title is my reminder
Yeah.
and pay rent. Okay, so I'm trying to add that event. So I'm going to add that for the 18th of 19th of May. So that's done. So the time doesn't matter. So I'm going to add that event now. The event has been added, but I can't see anything like the colored. It was added for 19th, right? Yeah. So what I can see is on this calendar here, it should have been highlighted. There is something on 19th, which I can't see here. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you. That was very helpful. Do you have any questions that now that we're done?
No, the app looks good. It just I don't know. It needs a bit of cosmetic. Yeah, just to make it look much
Actually,
colorful.
we're not
and
allowed to add any colors until the last
okay,
week.
yeah.
So,
If it's just for like your
yeah.
developing or something like that.
Okay.
It looks
Thank you
cool.
very much for your
Yeah,
help.
no worries. Thank you.
Thank you.